This is a BTS merchandise. BTS merchandise. Okay, let's open it now.
Yeah.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you like BTS?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. BTS? Hi guys! This is me, the curious sister, and she's the curious baby. What's your name?
This baby.
No, your name is... Hi, I'm...
Kakak Yaya.
Laila. Okay, so today we're gonna do unboxing video. Well, this is unpacking because there's no box.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so this is gonna be another unpacking video of our new purchase from Wish.
Please.
Wish, yes. We ordered it last September 30 and it arrived on November 10. So how many days?
7.
How many days, Ina?
50.
50 days. Okay, so what is this? This is a BTS merchandise. BTS merchandise. Okay, let's open it now.
Yeah.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you like BTS?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. BTS?
No.
Oh, really? But for Tata, you like BTS?
No.
Oh, she likes BTS.
No.
She likes BTS.
Yes. I love Tata.
Yes, you like BTS because you love Tata, no? Okay. Okay, let's
Tata
open.
is yet hot.
What?
Tata is yet hot.
That heart?
So yes, it's Tata.
Ah, yes, Tata. Tada! Oh my gosh! This is our BTS pajama! And our BTS slippers. You know who this is? Who's this? This is Cooky. This is Jungkook. This is Cooky. Opo din. Baksin na mo. Huwag ka magtuloy. So this is the Cooky pajama. I don't know if this original or it's not. Maybe it's not. But still, it's the pajama of Cooky. Yes. You know, Laila's wearing a nice pajama. So I should also have one pajama for myself. Let's open. Ta-da! Oh, it's silk. Oh, see, it's nice. The material is nice. Wow! Who's your favorite BTS? Jungkook. Jungkook is our favorite BTS. He's our bias. Okay, this is the... Let's see, let's show them. Ta-da! Oh! But it's a different color, isn't it? Look, this is my size. Well, it's double XL. It's long sleeves. Long sleeve. Yes, and you can see that's Cooky over there. It's nice. So it's silk, satin or silk. Wow, it's nice, and this will feel good. It's soft. Yeah, the material in fairness is good, right? Oh wow. Okay. You wear it, and then this is the pajama garter with no here. Ta-da! It's nice. And of course, with our pajama, it should also come with a matching slippers. It's a fluffy pink slipper.
It's not fluffy.
It is fluffy. Ta-da! You like it? Is it your favorite color?
Yeah.
What color is it?
It's so pink.
Color pink. And who is this?
Pretty.
Cooky. Yay! Okay, guys. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share our video of our BTS
BTS.
Pajama
Pajama.
Unpacking.
Unpacking.
See you again.
See you again.
Bye-bye.